Okay, I'm back. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to write click magnet headlines and addictive blog posts with ChatGPT. Make sure you subscribe, share this video with your good friends. I'm going to jump right over to the robot. I'm going to start off with some prompts I saved so that the robot will remember the context. I'm still talking about the food truck example. So I tell the robot, I'm working with a food truck business in Miami that specializes in fresh made sandwiches. It's famous for garlic cheese fries. Okay, so I'm just going to tell it what I'm doing. He's like, that's interesting. Do you have any specific questions? And then I'm going to go ahead and tell it, remember, I want to learn how to write click magnet headlines. I'm going to start with the headlines right now because obviously a headline comes before the article or the blog post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, can you write some click magnet headlines for the food truck? Business. Can you write some click magnet headlines for the food truck business? Right? Sure. Here are a few ideas. Right? See what it's generating here. It says, here are a few ideas for click magnet headlines for a food truck business. All right. Get your fix of gooey, delicious garlic cheese fries at our food truck. Oh, we ran into a snag there. Let's make it regenerate it again. Here we go. Our food truck has the freshest sandwiches and gooeyest garlic cheese fries in town. Come hungry, leave happy at our food truck. Fresh sandwiches and garlic cheese fries await. So it's giving you some excellent headlines. Find your new favorite lunch spot at our food truck. Fresh sandwiches and garlic cheese fries served daily. Okay? These are headlines. These are the click magnet. These are headlines that are going to grab clicks. Let me just word it a different way. Can you write some headlines that are sure to grab you to be clicked often? All right, just wording the request a little bit differently. Let's see what happens. Can you write some headlines that are sure to be clicked often? Let's see what it says. Sure, here are a few more ideas for headlines that are sure to be clicked often. 10 reasons why you can't miss our food truck's garlic cheese fries. The ultimate guide to fresh made sandwiches at our food truck. Behind the scenes, how we make our mouth-watering garlic cheese fries. You can see how effective this tool is. How long would it have taken you to come up with some ideas this good? This took just a few seconds. 5 mouth-watering sandwich and garlic cheese fry combos you have to try. Interview with the chef. Secrets to the best fresh-made sandwiches and garlic cheese fries. These are awesome headlines. And so now, because I'm looking for click magnet headlines and addictive blog posts and articles. So now what I could do is simply take any of these headlines and say, well, look, can you take one of these headlines? Can you write a addictive article with the headline. Just give it the headline it gave us. The history of our food truck's famous garlic cheese fries, a retrospective. Can you write an addictive? Let's just give it some very detailed instructions. Can you write an addictive article? Let's make it 600 words, right? With the headline, The History of Our Food Truck's Famous Garlic Cheese Fries, a retrospective, right? Let's see what happens. All right, so it's thinking, and it says, sure. Here is an article with the requested headline. The history of our food truck's famous garlic cheese fries, a retrospective. If you're a fan of our food truck's famous garlic cheese fries, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're taking a long look back at the history of these beloved fries and how they've become a staple at our food truck. It all started with a simple idea. Create a twist on traditional fries that would be both flavorful and addictive. After much experimentation, our chef hit upon the perfect combination of gooey cheese and garlicky goodness. This is what you can get from this revolutionary tool called ChatGPT. And you can see how addictive that blog post is. It's just you want me to read the rest of it right now. But I'm not. I'm going to get it to write another article. So I'll go back up and I'll say, well, look, you gave me some other interesting headlines. What about expert tips for pairing the perfect sandwich with our famous garlic cheese fries? I can go to it and say, can you write an engaging and addictive article, 600 words, titled, and I just paste in the title right here, expert tips for pairing the perfect sandwich with our famous garlic cheese fries. And let's give it boom, and let's see what it says here. Sure, here is an article with the requested title. Expert tips for pairing the perfect sandwich with our famous garlic cheese fries. If you're a fan of our food truck's famous garlic cheese fries, then you know just how addictively delicious they are. But did you know that these fries can also be the perfect complement to a sandwich? Here are some expert tips for pairing the perfect sandwich with our famous garlic cheese fries. 1. Consider the flavors of your sandwich. If your sandwich has a bold, assertive flavor, look for a sandwich that will balance them out. For example, a spicy buffalo chicken sandwich would pair well with our garlic and savory, with our creamy and savory garlic cheese fries. So you can see the example of the copy that this is creating from the headline, expert tips for pairing. So you can see how incredible this article generation robot really is. And this is not the type of text that's difficult to read. This text right out of the box is totally superior than the type of content that you would expect from the offshore outsourced workers that don't have English as their first language. Many times you can tell that somebody who doesn't really speak English has written the article. This is no longer needed because you can just use a robot. You don't have to worry about trying to translate many of the grammar errors that you'll find working with outsourced writers from the Philippines or from different areas all over the world. Why go through that headache when you can just go right directly to the robot? This is totally revolutionary, and it's going to really allow you to create the type of content that's going to attract the types of customers you want. Now, make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with AI. Right now, we're talking about ChatGPT, and I'm building all the guides using all of the most important functions that you need to complete to grow your business. Make sure you subscribe, and you'll get 12 businesses to start with AI today, and you'll get 31 AI apps to use in your business now. Thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe and check out all of the other videos, such as how to write a detailed marketing plan for your business and all the other videos. Until the next time. Also, you can send me an email once you subscribe with your questions, and I will be there to assist you. If you got any questions, until the next time, I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.